This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. We're about to take a tour through Heather Lakes, all the houses that we drive by today or skate by today. We are gonna put the link so that you can see the inside of these. They're beautiful homes. Whether you're someone that's looking for a house or you live in the sub and you wanna know what the homes are selling for around you, we're just here to help, give you guys the information. There's no reason to hold on to information. Give it to the people. Welcome to Heather Lakes. We're in the border of Orion and Clarkston, one of my favorite subs. Let's take a look. We're doing our real estate ride along today, and instead of doing the car, they just repaved these roads. We're gonna spend some time, show you the neighborhood, the experience from the street view on our blades. If you're gonna buy a house, you need a real estate agent. You need someone that knows the contracts. You need someone that knows where you're protected and where you're vulnerable in the transaction. You need someone to know who knows the process, and we find those people for you. It's free. It's unbelievable that this type of level of service didn't even exist before, but we're bringing it to the market. It's new. We are here looking to buyahouse.com, guys. Guys, by the way, you probably could scan that right there. That's the world's greatest app. Make sure you download. All right, this is 564 Shrewsbury. Beautiful house, you guys. You're gonna wanna see it inside. The way that the staircase opens up at the entrance, unbelievable. Breathtaking views, they're right on the lake. It's up right now for 1.3, 1.4. I will put a link if you wanna see the inside of this house. It's definitely one you don't wanna miss. This is a nice lake, it's a private lake. It's not all sports. You can have boats with electric motors, paddle boats, paddle boards, whatever you wanna do. No gas, no heavy motors on the lake. I had a friend with 4 different trolling motors on the back of his pontoon, and that's what he would do to get us out into the middle of the lake. I'll go recon up ahead. So another beautiful house, 430 Shrewsbury. This one's right on the lake. It's up for about 1.3 million as well. Beautiful views, beautiful kitchen, outdoor space. Pretty amazing on this one. You guys wanna see the inside? You wanna see pictures? What does it look like? Check it out below. That's where we've got it for you. We can't go inside right now. What do you want me to do? Knock on the door? Say, hey, can we show your house? Well, the best thing I can do is be here, tell you about it, and then we'll put something so you can see it. But if you wanna get inside, you can call me. I can make that happen. 729, we're cruising by this one, but it's one that you wanna see. Check it out in the details. Right on the lake, beautiful house. Sold for $680,000 last year, 2019. 4,400 square feet, almost 4,500. A real estate quick tip of the agent's responsibility, right? So the way we're out here, on a small scale, it's an example. Helping homes get exposure in creative ways. The buyers don't always come from where you think they're gonna come from. You gotta get creative what you're doing. You gotta understand, we gotta get this in front of people. If the guy who wants to buy your house hasn't seen it, in my world, that's the agent's fault. He didn't get you enough exposure. This is 620. Beautiful home. I love the setting of this one. Look at this. It's the first time I'm driving by, but check this out. It just feels good. Drive up that driveway, wow. I like that they've got it gated, the privacy. This one sold for $525, 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. We're in Heather Lakes right now, Heather Lakes North, giving you guys a breakdown of what's going on in the neighborhood. Spend the day on your blades, man. It's just a nice day. Used to do door hangers on my blades. People would see me, they'd be like, hey, that's one way to do it. I'd be like, yeah. And then they take my flyer. And then they go, is this you? I go, no, that's me. They go, and you're out here putting them up? I said, that's right. They're like, wow, keep going. We're coming up on 824 Heather Lake Drive. It was a very nice home. It's pending. They were asking $400,000. Don't know if they got it, don't know if they got close to it. Currently pending under contract. So if you have a house similar to that in the subdivision, they're asking $400,000 for theirs. You can check out the pictures inside and see if yours is comparable. You've got Orion Oaks Park right down the street. You've got great shops. Oh, you got Oak Street Nature Preserve right down the street. You're on a lake. You got private lake access. You got Orion Dog Bark Park right around the corner. He was a friendly guy, he waved at us. Another great thing about Heather Lakes, it's friendly. You drive by, people are waving, they're happy. You want to have Lake Orion schools right on the Orion-Clarkston border. It is a great place to live. It's nice to have the houses around you be worth great amount of value because it's gonna help your value. Even if you're not to the caliber of that house, but you're across the street, that house helps you anyways. We're gonna get some speed, fellas. $540,000, that's it? It's got 2,700 square feet, 5 beds, 4.5 baths. Beautiful, beautiful home. If you want to get in this one, it's currently on the market. So check out what it looks like inside. Down below, we're gonna put a link so you can see all the pictures inside. You want to get in this house, you give me a call. This is a little bit of a hill. Gotta power through. Beautiful house on the lake. 2019, this one sold for $518,000. It's a great house for $518 on the lake. Beautiful. What a yard. Check out pictures if you want to check them out. Come on, buddy. This house up here, actually, good friends of ours, they sold it probably 2 years ago, but I can't even put a number on how many football games. They got a pond in their backyard that we do some fishing at. Can't believe I get to call this work. I can't believe it. 4180, that one sold this year, $585. Been blading my whole life since I was a little kid. Played roller hockey growing up, but literally every second I had free, I'd spend them on my blades. 753 Shrewsbury Drive, that's active, it's on the market. 2,700 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths. This really is a great place to live. Heather Lakes is right across from Friendship Park. It is unbelievable. They got play structure, swings, everything you need to do. You want to let some steam out as a kid, that's where you go. You've got custard that swirls, it's delicious. Best for summer day. I'm excited for looking to buy a house to be the leading helper for people when it comes to getting connected with an agent. Across the nation, we're gonna be helping people get connected. Like personal, one-on-one, what's your situation? Who are you? How can we help? That's what I wanna do. Help people.